dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Ahead of Edo State governorship election set for September 21st, 2024, concerns have emerged over attempts by the All Progressive Congress to manipulate the voters' registered list to gain an unfair advantage ahead of the gubernatorial election. My people, don't be small matter. Moving on after this, we have Edo State APC leaders rally support for Senator Mondo Okpoholo. Alright, my wonderful people, welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Test Gist. As we are giving a back-to-back update and information as it is hot. So if today is your first time to join our wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. Alright, my people, may we dive into the main story. Ahead of the Edo State governorship election set for September 21st, 2024, concerns have emerged over attempts by the All Progressive Congress to manipulate the voters' register lists to gain an unfair advantage ahead of the gubernatorial poll. Insider sources within the Independent National Electoral Commission have disclosed that the APC, under the leadership of their national chairman, Abdullahi Ganduje, is reportedly pressing INEC officials to tamper with the voter register, particularly in areas considered stronghold of the People Democratic Party. My people, don't be small matter amid this governorship election. The atmosphere is getting intensified. According to the INEC officials, who choose to be anonymous for fear of being victimized, he said the APC strategy involves disenfranchising voters in PDP-dominated areas, thereby weakening the electoral prospects of the PDP candidates as we hold a look, while blustering the chances of the APC candidates not Mondo Okpoholo. My people, don't be small, so there is a concerted effort by the APCs to ensure that voters in key PDP strongholders are either removed from the register or are somehow prevented from casting their vote on that day, come September 21st. My point didn't only end there. The source further explained that the pressure has been mounting over the past few weeks, with senior INEC officials alleging being compromised, that some of their senior colleagues at the INEC headquarters have been bribed with 18 million each to go along with the plan. My people, don't be smug, gay. So now he said that the goal is clear, that to tint the election in favor of the APC want to do it by any means. So the revelation has sparked concern about the integrity of the upcoming gubernatorial election, with fear that the alleged manipulation could undermine the democratic process. This is not just about Edo State, it's about the entire electoral process in Nigeria. So if they allow such interference, it's going to set a dangerous precedent for future elections. Another person don't come out come warn INEC officials. The person who chose to remain anonymous for fear of repercussions. He further disclosed that while some INEC staff members are resisting the pressure, that the influence of money and power is proving difficult to withstand, that many of them are doing their best to maintain the integrity of the process, but the pressure is immense. The APC is pulling out all the stops to ensure that their candidate, Senator Mondo Okpoholo, wins, even if it means compromising the voters' register. I pray those stations their eye in this forthcoming governorship election. The youth cannot relent this time around. Coupled with the hardship the people are passing through in Nigeria, may they vote the competent leader. Money will solve the problem. The money will finish very soon, but what about the future? That be the thing. So collecting bribe and selling your birthright, it doesn't worth it. You should stand on their ground and vote for that competent leader. What we are talking about is the future, not now. Money goes soon finish if they collect bribe. So what about the future? You go still suffer. So guys, let them wash their eyes this time around and vote for that person they feel they are comfortable with. They feel they can govern Edo State well. As the election date approaches, civil society organizations and electoral observers are being urged to closely monitor development in Edo State. So they need all eyes on this election. The international community, local observer, and the media must scrutinize every step of the process to ensure that the will of the people is not subverted. The allegation of voters register tampering come on the heels of a similar controversy in the 2022 general election, where accusations of electoral malpractice were rife. So this latest development in Edo State has raised the stake even higher, given the state strategic importance in the Nigeria political landscape. So better shine their eyes. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section. I would love to hear from you once again. Thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. Leaders of All Progressive Congress in Edo State have urged the electorate to vote for the party candidate, Senator Monday Obulu, and his running mate, Dennis Idahosa, in the September 21st gospel election. They said Senator Monday Obulu administration would accord and uphold respect for the traditional institution, and he is going to bring massive development to every sector of Edo State. The APC leader who spoke on Thursday when the party took their campaign train to Ego local government area in Benin City. The Director General of the APC campaign, Senator Matthew Uhede, told the crowd that the APC had a great confidence in the party candidate and his running mates, that they are not here for any jamboree, but to pass the message of their candidates, Senator Monday Obulu, to them. So they are proud of their candidates, Senator Monday Obulu, and this massive turnout is a clear testimony that the people of Ego are happy with their party. So they must tell the people of Edo State South why they decide to choose Monday Obulu as a senator. And he's representing 5 local governments, which is almost 1/3 of the state, since he has done so well. So they decide to shift the governorship to the Edo Central Senatorial District. I put a small water. Matthew also said that Senator Monday Obulu has promised to revamp agriculture, security, and employment. And above all, he pledged to respect and uphold the Benin traditional institution. For Dennis Idahosa, he said it is clear that he has the mandate of his people, and that is why he has continued to win election after election in Ovia Federal Constituency. On the part of the Deputy Governor of the state, Pius Odubo, he said that the only meaningful development recorded in the state was during the administration of Senator Adams Oshomole, adding that Edo could not afford another 4 years of uneventful rule in the state. Adams Oshomole's remark, he assured the people of Edo State that all the alleged diversion, embezzlement, and oppression perpetrated under the present government would be a thing of the past when the APC comes on board. So they should try and vote for APC on September 21st, 2024. On the part of the APC candidate, Senator Monday Obulu, in his speech he promised to rebuild dilapidated schools across the state, that is going to provide primary health care center and uphold the sanctity of the traditional institution when he emerges as governor of Edo State. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in our comment section. I would love to hear from you once again. Thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment, winners. Stay safe, guys. Bye for now.